Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I thought I'd turn myself into Harley Quinn Pennywise. Since I already have a big forehead,
It's time.
I wanted to be a little bit different than from my regular Harley Quinn attires. And since I already have this Pennywise costume, I wanted to incorporate a Pennywise Harley Quinn look. I've seen a lot of looks online and I really like it, so I thought I'd do my own version. I'm not really gonna explain everything that I'm doing for my makeup because it's very simple and an easy look. But as you can see over here, I'm just outlining those lines that you can see on Pennywise's face. I am using this Laura Mercier eyeshadow pencil in a burgundy color. And it doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, I'll be going over it with this liquid lipstick by Kylie. And this is the only products that I have at this moment. That's why I'm using these instead of like a regular face paint. You gotta make it work with whatever you got. I'm just going over it to make it more precise. I just rushed this look because I wanted to take pictures already and it was getting dark at this point. This is actually my second Pennywise look. Before I face painted it and I didn't have a costume at that time, but it was more like a Wendy from that fast food chain. Yes, I'll show you a picture right here. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see other pictures like this, because I used to do body paints and face painting. But yeah, let's get back to the look. I'm just putting that same liquid lipstick on my lips. I was also gonna put it on my nose, but I forgot. So let's just skip that step and head to the Harley Quinn heart. Any eyeliner will do, but I'm just using this liquid eyeliner by Ulta Cosmetics. Yeah, their line. And there you go. So for the costume, I just have this Pennywise costume that I got from Wish. I am just wearing the top part and it kind of looks like a dress, so yeah. And then I'll be wearing my Harley Quinn wig from the Suicide Squad 2. I'm not gonna be wearing these strings right here. And for accessories, I am going to use my Harley Quinn mallet. For shoes, I'm gonna wear Dr. Martens boots. I'm using the Jadon boots in white, and since Harley Quinn usually wears net tights or fishnet tights, I'm gonna be using that. For watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any requests, let me know and I might just do it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.